southeastern Union Parish, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over West Monroe, moving southwest at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Claiborne, West Monroe, Brownsville-Bockham, Brownsville-by-Conville, Swartz, Richwood, Sterlington, Drew, Pine Grove, Chenair, Fondale, La Pine, Millhaven, Loch Lomond, Folksville, Bosco and Deshard. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana, Ouachita and Union.